Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Android Wi-Fi and hotspot not working. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. If your Android Wi-Fi and hotspot are not working, there are several things you can try to fix that issue. So guys, you can restart your device, and restarting your Android device can help fix many issues including problems with Wi-Fi and hotspot. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds like this, and here you can see power off or the restart keyboard options. You can just simply swipe down it from the centers and you will see that your phone will be restart. And also guys, you can you can check network coverage and check your internet connection to ensure that it's stable and strong. Also guys, you can disable battery saver. If battery saver power mode is on, cause it can cause Wi-Fi and hotspot issues. So disable it by going to the settings and then search for the battery, and you can see that these both are off. But if these are switched on, you can just simply tap right here on the power battery saver and switch off. So also guys, you can clear cache data of the phone app, and clearing the cache data in your Android device can also fix the many issues. And to clear the cache, you can watch my old videos. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.